Good evening. Hello. I got myself a cup of tea. Having time for it now. Changed into something comfortable and a bit warmer because I did not turn on the heating today because yesterday it was too hot. Today it's slightly too cold. That's what happens. What I wanted to say or to announce, first of all, thanks for the people subscribing to me after watching yesterday's video. I'm happy about it, I have to say thanks. I'm still a bit thinking about what language I should prefer in my videos, so right now it depends a little bit who I want to talk to. We will see as time goes by. And yes, that's the future stuff. Several YouTubers were talking about VidMe before, and I had an account there too, or I have one. I made one then, a few months ago. And yesterday, after that story showing me that you never should rely on just one platform in your life. It's about your future and your business. I put some videos up on my VidMe portal, VidMe page, and I will put the link to it into the description. So if you already are on VidMe and want to check it out, feel free. Right now it's musical stuff. I had some videos when I was playing around with my C.H.A.B.I.S hub. As you can see, there is a one or two musical objects in this room, and like this is one too. And those videos I did not yet put up on my C.H.A.B.I.S music channel on YouTube. I'll see if I'll do. Some probably heard about or have seen my video about channel splitting stuff and so on. It was my idea that YouTube might have it easier to promote my videos if I had some channels clearly showing a topic, like musical stuff on a music channel and game stuff on a game channel, and what did I do? Silly stuff on a comedy channel, yes. And well, when your channel is so small, it's hard to actually guess, but afterwards YouTube had got this 10,000 views rule, and I did not yet manage to get 10,000 views on one single channel, so it's getting it on 5 channels simultaneously is not going to work out anyway. So I will see what I will do with this. At the moment all those channels don't cost me any additional money, so I can as well keep them. And I'm still thinking about what concept I should put up for VidMe. At the moment it's a parallel channel, if you want. And so if I have some videos I really think they are really great and should be everywhere, I may put them up over there too. But I'm not yet decided. Maybe I just put my musical stuff up there, because I guess I have some certain abilities in singing and therefore it's not, it's I guess some of my best videos are actually music videos. Some of my worst are probably music videos too. So anyway, I'm still thinking about it, but I thought I will announce that I did activate the VidMe channel now, at least a little bit. I already have the Patreon page where I could put up Patreon exclusive videos too. I have no Patreons yet. I guess my weakest point is actually doing some advertising, because yeah, I don't think I'm one of the best guys in the world doing the best stuff, and I can't actually tell somebody I'm doing if I don't think I do. So anyway, I'm quite an ordinary guy in some respects, and I do some quite ordinary stuff, sort of for a bit of a goofball as I am. So I have strange ideas and I do strange stuff in this way, but from all the crazy people I know, I'm by far not the most crazy one. So anyway, I put the link in the description. I did announce that I put something up there, and it's yet to decide what I actually want to do over there, but I think because it's just that one channel and because it's a secondary channel right now, I might as well put the music stuff over there. Yeah, probably. Except I have to check out how it works with cover versions. I'm not yet sure about this, because I think the YouTube system, when copyright holders can monetize their stuff and still and leave the videos up, that system is I guess that's quite good in general. So I guess YouTube is a good place for music videos actually. On the other hand, I will see if I get in trouble with community guidelines by posting cover versions. They will probably tell me, and then we can see. I do some original stuff. I'm composing or improvising my own stuff. I'm singing quite a lot of old music where the copyright is actually not a topic, because it did not exist the day the composers died. So if somebody claims the copyright for some stuff I did sing myself, yeah, well, if they can prove I did use their sheet music, okay, we can talk about it. And I'm always open for fellow musicians and so on to help them out anyway. But I guess that's a topic to fill another video. Personally, I did get the big mug, but I'm not sure if everybody wants to listen for so long. But yeah, putting out the music is probably not the worst idea. I already started with musical stuff, and then we will see. So right now there is, as you might know or you might see on my Patreon page and on the website C.H.A.B.I.S.ch, which is a rather silly website, to be honest, but it does have all the links to my different YouTube channels on top of it, so you don't have to look at the rest. And there you will find any channel or platform I'm on anyway. I will put some links to the description again too. And so you can go wherever you like to be, where you already have an account. I'm not the guy forcing you to subscribe on some platform just to follow me. If you want to do, I'm happy, of course. But if you think you already have a sufficient amount of accounts, I very much understand this. Because I'm in the internet for probably around nearly 20 years now. I subscribed at hundreds of services and pages I had to, and it's painful to keep track of all the stuff, and I guess I've forgotten a couple of pages I have accounts, and I really don't remember it anymore. So I'm perfectly okay if you stay on one platform, or you stay on platforms you don't have to be subscribed to watch the content. That's perfectly fine to me. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I may see you, or you may see me somewhere. Oh yeah, by the way, if you actually happen to want to see me and are in old computers, historical computers, by the way, there is a Vintage Computer Festival in Zurich, November 18th and 19th, I'd say. Check it out. It's VCFe.ch, the website, as far as I know. Let's check. No, that's a guy from VintageBytes.ch that wrote me if I had time. So yeah, if you go to the VintageBytes website, you will probably find a link to the VCFe/CH2. CH, by the way, that's for Switzerland. That's a Confederatio Helvetica, which means Helvetic Confederation. And Helvetia, that's the old Roman name for the area Switzerland is today. So yeah, it's not a direct way, but that means CH is normally Switzerland. It's not because we Swiss are professionals in pronouncing the CH, the very in a particular way. Only Arabs and maybe, yeah, and some mechanical parts in your engine can mimic. But anyway, we have been talking about the Vintage Computer Festival. Okay, that's did he write? Yes, 18th and 19th November in Zurich. That the house is named Rote Fabrik. That means red factory. It's factory, not fabric. That's the funny part with English and German. Fabrik means factory and does not have to do anything with fabric, except if it happens to be a textile factory, which we don't have too many in Switzerland anymore. Yeah, but anyway, I will be there with my vintage computers. I'm thinking about some ordinary stuff, Amiga, to touch and to use. If something breaks, I have some more. That's what I like with this style of historic computer. They are historic, but they are not too fragile. So, anyway, that's enough for one video. I have only been talking and drinking tea. We can do another video where I am not talking and still drinking tea if you like. If you have some suggestions, tell me in the description. If you want me to do the next video in Spanish, yeah, feel free. It's your problem if you understand it after all. Yeah. But yeah, you can, of course, you can tell me too what languages you think I should do. Right now I have quite many Swiss subscribers, I know, but quite a few of them do understand English. So I guess I can talk to more Swiss subscribers and to more people in general, including the Swiss subscribers, if I stick to English. But I guess I will change at times. Anyway, the comment section is open for whatever you may think of, with some exceptions, like some funny financial Ponzi schemes or things like that might not make it through, just in case you wondered. So, have a nice time, evening, day, night, whatever you prefer to live in, and see you later.